Welcome to 73 for East Morris Street, located in the heart of Indianapolis' vibrant Fountain Square neighborhood. Step into a bright and spacious living area that blends historic charm with modern updates. The full bathroom features contemporary finishes for both style and comfort. A cozy and inviting bedroom with plenty of natural light. Another comfortable bedroom, perfect for guests or a home office. The modern kitchen offers updated appliances and ample cabinet space. A convenient half bath adds extra functionality for guests. #73 for East Morris Street, stylish, walkable, and ready for you to call home.